Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I'm going to share with you a very famous and one of the most popular street food item in Bengal, that is vegetable chop. Bengalis are known for their Telebhaja, and vegetable chop is one of the most favorite in all season, especially during this winter season when all the vegetables are freshly available in the market. This particular delicacy with a cup of hot steaming tea and your winter is sorted. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now start making vegetable chop. For that, here in a karai, I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it get nice and hot. Now I'm going to fry up some peanuts. Here I'm using 10 grams of peanuts. If you follow this recipe step by step, your vegetable chop will be just like the one you get in the streets of Bengal. So I fried them for 2 minutes and they are done. Now I'm going to take them out into a bowl. Now in the same pan, I'm going to fry up some coconut. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of coconut, which I have diced into very small pieces. Now I'm going to fry them for 2 minutes as well, and they are done. When you bite into hot vegetable chop and you get this peanuts and a piece of coconut in that is divine. Next, in the same oil, here goes 1 teaspoon of panch foron, which is a mixture of 5 spices: cumin seed, fennel seed, fenugreek seed, mustard seed and nigella seeds. Next goes 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and fry it till the raw smell of ginger goes away. Next goes green chilies. Here I am using 5-6 green chilies which I have finely chopped. You can increase or decrease the amount of the green chilies according to your choice. Next goes the main ingredients, the star ingredient of this vegetable chop, which is the beetroot. Here I am using 1 large beetroot which I have cut into juliennes, because beetroot takes quite a lot of time to soften. Mix it thoroughly. Don't skip any step. Just watch the entire video, and after that you will be making the vegetable chop just like the market at home. Next, I am adding salt according to taste. This salt will also help to release water from the vegetables, and that water will help the vegetables soften. Now I'm going to cover it and cook it for 5 minutes over medium flame. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare a spice mix, also known as bhaja masala. For that, here I'm using 2 bay leaves. Stir them and add them. Then goes 4 to 5 dried whole red chilies. Then goes 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, then 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, also known as mori, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now over medium flame, I'm going to dry roast them for 2 minutes till they are aromatic. Now it's done. Now I'm going to cool it down and grind it into fine powder, and our bhaja masala will be ready. Meanwhile, check it here. Our beetroot has nicely tilted. Next, I'm going to add carrots. Here I'm using 2 medium size of carrots which I have sliced thinly. mix it. Now I'm going to cook it over medium flame for 7-8 minutes, covering it. After 7-8 minutes we are back, and as you can see, the veggies has released some water and also softened up. You don't need to add any water because the vegetables will release water like this. Next goes coconut, which we have fried. Then the peanuts, and add them and mix them. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar because vegetable chop has a sweet texture or sweet taste in it. Also check the salt at this stage. If you think you require salt, then also balance it. Now I'm going to cook it, covering it for 5 minutes over medium flame. After 5 minutes, as you can see, all the veggies are nicely softened up. Now I'm going to add the ground spice mix or the bhaja masala that we have prepared. Add all of them. Mix it. The smell right now I'm getting is just divine, just like the one you get in the market. Next add potato. Here I'm using 3 medium-sized potato which I have boiled and mashed. Now using the ladle, mix the potato with the beetroot. So it's done. All the potatoes are nicely mixed with the beetroot. Now I'm going to let it cool down. After that, we're going to make the chop. Now our mixture is nice and cool down. So take small portion from it and using your palm, give it a oblong shape or oval shape like this. See, using both the palm, give it a nice cylinder shape. I'm going to make all the chop in the same manner. Next, the coating part. For that we need flour, beaten egg and breadcrumb. First we are going to coat the chop in flour nicely in all the sides. All the sides should be coated in flour like this. Next dip it into the beaten egg, roll it, and then it goes to the breadcrumb. Use your dry hand to coat the breadcrumb, otherwise the breadcrumb will be soggy. Now coat the chop from all the sides. Next again double coat it, dip it into the beaten egg and then goes to the breadcrumb. This double coating will make the coating thicker and more crunchier, just like you get in the market. Press it and give it the shape, proper shape like this. it's done. So I have prepared 6 vegetable chops. Now I'm going to keep them into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Here I have heated up some oil for frying. Now I'm going to fry them by the chop over medium flame till they are golden brown. Toss them in every now and then. As I was saying, keep them into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. That's important. That will make the chop more crunchier. Now they are done. I'm going to take them out on a plate. And fry the other one. And now here our chops are ready. I have served them with some ketchup and some salad. Doesn't they look exactly like the one you get in the market? I have cut one, and from inside they are looking like this, just like the ones you get from the shop. Trust me, the taste is exactly like that, even better than that. Do make this recipe for your family and friends. They won't believe it that you have made this at home, because this is better than the store-bought one. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.